How to use Macy's promo codes. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Macy's promo codes. For this, you want to open up any web browser. If you do not have Macy's promo code, you can open up any reliable website such as couponfollow.com or any similar website that offers Macy's promo codes. Then you want to find the best deal for you. Once you have found it, click on the show coupon code option. Once you have the coupon code, click on the copy option. Now you want to head over to the official website of Macy's, which is macys.com. Find the item you want to purchase and add them to your bag. Now click on the bag icon. Here on the checkout page, enter the required information. You have the enter promo code section on the right hand side. On this box, paste the promo code you have copied. Once you have pasted the promo code, you want to click on the apply option. Remember that you can only use one code per order. If the code you have entered is valid, it will be successfully redeemed. Now you can proceed to check out, and in this way you can use the Macy's promo codes. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.